What's up, guys?
What it do?
My boy Scoop here. Parks Art here. We're about to customize these crazy pastel Air Force Ones, but they ain't pastel yet because there's a hidden layer. So let's get into it. So yeah, as you can tell, guys, they're already looking pretty sick. The colors are really popping. What you think?
I love the purple.
The purple is my favorite so far.
It's different types of like panels and stuff like that. It's like you got suede. What's this right here?
It's like a nubuck. Then you got the patent leather right here.
Yeah. Patent leather go crazy. Look at that.
Yeah, it's glossy.
Sheesh. You gonna go slip and slide in.
I'm kind of ready to see like one beside each other.
Okay.
But yeah, let's go ahead and unlace these and get this panel done too. Nah, I was wondering how the holes are gonna react to this. You see how?
Yeah.
But we'll see.
We'll let you cut that. Take your time, guys. I'm just letting you know. We are using knives.
Don't cut yourself.
Be safe. Don't do this at home. You know what I'm saying? Wear eye protection. You can tell he's the artist and I'm just the guy chilling.
And don't point the blade towards you.
You be watching Complex?
All the time, bro.
Yeah, I be watching them too.
You getting them red boots, bro?
I would rock them, bro. I promise you, bro. I would go so crazy. Bro, the pictures on Instagram, bro. Oh my god.
Somebody said it's the Astro Boy boots, bro.
It is.
I was like,
it literally is.
Bro. What was that? No, I saw. So Kais Omar did he's doing a 30-day wear test.
Or he doing
posted it, yeah.
Okay, I seen him wear them to
They
Got
gotta
Soul.
be uncomfortable, bro. I don't know. Like over time, I feel like
definitely, but I think it's just more of a. It's just funny, bro. Like anybody that wears them,
it's a statement.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what it is, bro. So I heard like they were selling for like 1,000 at one point, and then like, everybody got their pairs in. They're only reselling for like 500, and they're $400 retail, bro.
Really?
They cost $5 in China to make, bro.
Damn. I do feel like they're gonna go up though, but it's just because the people behind them that's
Mischief
wearing
is doing something crazy with that.
Yeah.
Like they just want to be different.
And they got celebrities, they got rappers, like you got everybody in the game wearing those.
But yeah, those are the ones I want to customize. The super normals.
Yeah, kind
of like some forces. Y'all comment below if y'all want me to customize the super normals. All right, we're gonna tear it. Oh, see, I already cut that, I think. I was like, that's too easy.
Yeah, tearing is not the way, but we're gonna just...
Ooh!
We're having technical difficulties right now. Listen, everybody right now, if you're seeing this video, comment your favorite color.
I like that. My
favorite color is on this shoe. If you guess it right, I might cash up you $10.
Ooh! Alright, so one more down, y'all. Get a little close up for you guys. Nice little mint green.
Sheesh. Hey, check out my channel. I'm about to crease these shoes after. I'm sorry, but I do a lot of trolling. And that's all I'm gonna say. I can't give too much. I might have to tease a little bit.
Yeah, y'all, his first videos will hurt my feelings, man. back, y'all. Got a little tan action right there. But yeah, all we got left is the swoosh. Should we leave it or should we just cut it?
What's that tab right there, man?
Should I pull it? Should I pull it? Ooh. I promise y'all I'm strong, bro. This song's on there. Alright, we're gonna cut it instead. Follow the dotted lines, y'all. We got the last piece of the puzzle here. Let's cut it. I'll give you the final piece.
Are y'all ready?
Hey, hurry up. What you think?
I like it. Favorite piece, honestly, is either the pink or the purple. The suede, it go crazy. So what y'all think? Before or after? Which one you rocking?
So guys, look at the finished product on this one shoe.
The beginning and the end.
Comment below which one y'all like better.
Would you keep it like this, not cut up, or...
Ooh.
I'm not even gonna lie to you, I'm low-key feeling this vibes. Like the white Air Force, you know what I'm saying? You can never go wrong.
It could mess up eventually.
Yeah, you could be right though. You could be right on that.
I bet if you like skated on that joint would be sick, yeah.
Oh, they'd be crazy if you skated it.
Like just scuff one to the side, like ooh. So yeah guys, that's a wrap for this video.
If we get 1,000 likes, we'll cut up this shoe as well. And we'll give it away to one of y'all as well too.
You feeling crazy, bro?